So I'd like to share with you one of my biggest secrets that have pulled me to financial freedom. None of the gurus are talking about it, none of the shows, no type of trainers, all the conferences, nobody talks big about this secret, right? The secret of principal pay down, right? So I'm going to share with you what I like to do is take you on a journey over the next few weeks and months. I'm going to record me paying extra principals on my loan, right? One of the loans that I'm paying off now. I'm going to take you right to the computer. Let's do it. All right, class, this is Chris Haskins with the realestateroundup.com. My mission and ministry is to raise your financial literacy through real estate investing and entrepreneurship. So I'm going to take you on a journey over the next few weeks and months. I've decided to share with you, I'm just thinking about how many hundreds of thousands of dollars of loan pay downs have I done, and I didn't document any of it. So I've got one loan now. So what happens is when you start paying down one, you pay it off, then you can take that income from the rental property and double down on other loans to pay them down even faster, right? So I'm going to walk you step by step. Every time I do it, we're going to go right to the computer in a minute. I'm going to show you how we pay down extra principal. That has been my secret weapon. Not wholesaling, it's not retailing, not subject to, it's not owner financing, not lease options, not flipping stuff, not doing construction. None of that stuff has been my biggest engine, right? My biggest engine. Principal pay down, y'all. All right, let's go take a look at it. Let me show you how we do it. If you look here, you can see I still owe $34,000. Interest rate is 6.5. I think we borrowed $80,000 on this one. So far we've paid $50,000, and this loan is originated in 2007. Okay, so I paid that interest. I paid $31,000 in interest. So I'm trying to just kill that. You know, we save a bunch of interest when we pay extra principal. My normal payment is that. So I've already paid this month's payment. So what I'm going to do is skip. Since I already made the payment for February, right here, they are asking me, do I want to make the March payment? Since we're still in February, I don't want to make any future payments right now. I want to only do additional principal. Okay. So let's do $2,500 for this month here. I'm doing large numbers because every time I make additional money, it's almost like I just pay the taxes on it and we just sink it right to. See, I've learned that if you live years ago without that extra money, you can live without it today, right? Or you can live off 90% of what you make. So let's do $2,500 extra here. So that's going to be on top of our regular payment, which I've already made for February. Let's do this. All right. No turning back. Boom. Additional principal, $2,500. Oops, let's see. We're going to do additional principal, $2,500. Amount withdrawn. The date comes out my checking. That's my bank. Here we go, $2,500. And when it's gone, I'm releasing it into the atmosphere on our behalf. It goes out and it works for us. Let's do this. Darn, that was quick. So you've seen how it's done. We can do it right online. But let me share with you, which I didn't do before. Let me share with you. I did a video on this a few weeks back showing you how we actually pay the principal down. When I want to get into some of the metaphysical things, aspect of what this does to you and for you, right? So when you pay extra principal on your debt, right? Well, for us, it's real estate. What it does is it communicates to the universe that you're saying, listen, I've got more where that came from. I can put more. I know that there's more that's going to come to me. This also works when you give to charities. When you give away money that you've earned, you're telepathically letting the universe know that there's more out there for me and I can go get more. Now, I know this might seem a little she for you, but I'm here to tell you that this works. This is why I'm here today. I get to talk to you in the middle of the day. I get to record videos and show you what I'm doing. You are sending out these waves and letting the universe and your community know that, hey, Chris has more where that came from, right? So when you put more on your principal, you are doing one of the 5 rules of gold. One of the 5 rules of gold from George Clason's book, The Richest Man in Babylon. A part of what I earn is mine to keep. A part of what I earn is mine to keep. And when I say keep, I'm not talking about putting in a bank and save for later. I'm not talking about money you're going to use to invest. This is money that is for you, period. It never leaves. As opposed to going out to the marketplace, it is your marketplace. You are creating your own employee, your own army that's going to work for you, right? So how many people out there ever talk about this stuff? Create your own financial army. So when you pay down that principal and eventually pay it off, then that house turns into a cash. Oh my goodness. You're talking about a cash cow where all the money comes. Well, not all. You got to pay taxes and insurance and real estate taxes and all that stuff. But debt. And you're saving tons of money on interest. Okay. So many advantages. And I know it's going to be painful. I just put down, you saw this video, I put down thousands of dollars on top of my principal because I've exercised that muscle memory to get out there and do it, right? I don't even feel it anymore. 1,000, 2,000. Last video, we put 4,000 down on the loan. I don't even feel it. It's like, okay, how much is it? Boom, let's go. And I want to bring you on so you don't feel it either. The first time I did it, it was painful. I remember the first time I put extra principal on one of my loans, $50. I was like, oh my Lord, $50. Good God, I need this $50. But then I did 50, 100, 200, 300, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. And now paid off 1, 2, 3. Now I'm like trying to get them all done. See, the magic is you pay them off, then you can get lines of credit where you don't have that monthly payment and you have access to the money only when you want to use it. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. So listen, guys, I hope to share this with you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Oop, I didn't put that up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can follow along on this journey. See, I'm gonna have this loan paid off. I'm putting it out there. This loan is going to be paid off in a few months. So this playlist is going to document us paying it off. You can come back. I don't know how much I'm going to pay off for the next video, but I promise you, this loan is done. I'm done with it. I put it in my mind that I want this loan to disappear. Okay. Like this content, share. Let me know if you do this. Comment below. What type of financial strategies are you using to create and build wealth for you and your family? It's Kris Haskins with the Real Estate Roundup. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.